Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis with part 3 of my vacuum competition between this Shark Navigator, which I did in part 1, this Hoover that I did in part 2, and now the finale, this bagged, these two are bagless, Eureka Powerline Plus. I just dumped out the dirt from the Hoover on here, and now I will mop it up with this. I love the handle on this. Okay. This has a foot switch on it. For a moment here. Okay, well, that concludes part 3. Now you be the judge. You tell me which did the best. This one or the Hoover M-Power Wide Path, or the Shark Navigator NV22L. Okay, this is Marshall Curtis, concluding my vacuum competition between these three, and thanks for watching, and peace out.